my crafting friends. Today I'm here to show you how I repair this cover that came with this stamping kit. This is Days to Remember, a beautiful calendar stamping kit that I just got from my sister, who's a Stampin' Up! Representative. So, as you could see here, the case came cracked open. She didn't want me to have it that way, so she was kind enough to give me one of her sleeves. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair this. So today I'm going to be using some heavy-duty shipping packaging tape. And I also will be using this beautiful rainbow project tape. So what I'm going to do is, I've already pre-cut my tape because it was way to expedite this video a little bit faster and not have to fidget too much. So as you can see, this is all cracked in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clear tape. I'm going to center it as good as I can. And I'm going to press down on it. I'm going to come to the other side and find where's the ripped part. Oh, there it is. This is the side that's messed up. So this has a plastic sleeve over it. So I'm just going to get another piece of tape that I've pre-cut. I'm going to do my best at centering this and pressing it down. Let me not get any wrinkles in here. And I'm pressing it down. Now, because this does have a plastic sleeve over it, as you can see right here, I'm going to be taking a piece of this beautiful tape and sticking it on the back of this case. Trying to center it. And press on it. Oops, I got a little wrinkle there, but that's not a problem. I can actually just lift it. Thank goodness. And just carefully readjust that tape. And now we have that beautiful spine on here. And now I have another piece of tape that I've pre-cut. I'm going to be putting it in the center. Let me make sure I line it up with the other tape. Yep. Thank God this is tape because it's adjustable. Now it's lined up. And I've saved my cover and I can use it now, and I plan to use it with my clear stamping blocks. I will be putting smaller ones in here, which now makes it easy for me to find them because they are clear, they are a variety of sizes, and I lose them. All right, guys, so this is fixed. Now, don't forget, if you're interested in any of these stamp kits, you can go to my sister's Stampin' Up! Page on Facebook and on Instagram. This is the little celebration. This is a little mini catalog. It's hard to get it into here because this is big and my tripod is in the way. But this is chock full of amazing, beautiful stamps, ideas for you to enjoy. And I hope you could see the Crafty Stamper's Den.